Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing with some fun neon HEMA-free gel polishes from Sundara Nails. We are heading into that summer season, so it is officially neon season and I'm totally here for it. And these colors are definitely going to get your nails ready for summer with these bright, vibrant colors. And can we have a moment here for the packaging? I love it. There's like these neon signs on the background, like that banana and the cactus. I think it's super fun. And then it has that standard black packaging, which I love. And then check out how vibrant this color is. Oh, I love it so much. It is like the perfect neon pink, and then it also has that color indicator on the back. So I already went ahead for today's mani and placed the gel base coat over all the nails today and cured that for 30 seconds. And then we're going to be playing with this brush cleaner as well. And I'm completely in love with this brush cleaner. First of all, it has a dropper, so you can really control the amount that you want. I'm just placing a few drops into this nail liquid jar, and then we are going to be using the nail art brushes today, and I'm completely in love with these brushes. I've tried so many different art brushes and these are by far the best. The quality is there and they feel really like sturdy in the hand. I just love that about them, so you can get a really good control when you are doing your nail art. So we are creating a tie-dye effect mani today. So we're going to be putting on some gel polish all over the nail there. So we're starting out with that pink and then we're just going to keep building up the polishes, and I'm using the actual gel brush and I'm just kind of hovering over the nail just to make sure that I'm not like getting into that other color with the gel brush. If you do get any of the other color on the brush, just wipe off your brush with a paper towel before you go ahead and place that back in the jar. Otherwise you will contaminate your whole bottle of gel liquid and you do not want to do that. So then if you don't feel comfortable using this method like I'm doing here, you can use a nail art brush and then brush it on. It's totally up to you, but I am using all these colors here, and you don't have to use all 6 colors. You can definitely do I recommend if you're doing the tie-dye effect, you do at least 4 colors to really get that transition, but options are going to be endless when you're doing the tie-dye nail. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that nail art brush and I'm going to just drag that down with a very, very light hand because you do not want to scrape away any of that gel polish. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe off that brush on a paper towel before I go back in with each line to make sure that we're keeping these colors kind of going into each other and not like making it too mucky, because if you go in without wiping out your brush, you're going to transfer those colors and that's going to look a little bit wonky. But this is just a really fun way to create some nail art and to create a tie-dyed effect. I just love it so much, and these colors are perfect for this method. Now, Sundara Nails has super pigmented gel polishes, so it's going to be really easy to create this look. Now, to wipe off the brush in between the tie-dyes, I am going to go ahead and swirl it around in that brush cleaner like you see here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it off on that paper towel ever so gently. You just want to make sure that you're having a light hand because you do not want to pull out any of those delicate brush bristles. So we're just going to repeat this process by layering some gel polish all over the entire nail here. And then for this one, we're going to go a little bit differently with the lines. We're going to go on the side instead of directly across. But I just feel like this is just super fun and great for summer. I love tie-dye and I think of summer when I think of tie-dye, and these bright colors are perfect. Now, back to Sundara's nail polish. They are super pigmented, so it really works well for this method because you only want to do 1 layer of gel. So if you're doing it with a gel polish that isn't pigmented or not full coverage, you're not going to really get a good tie-dye payoff. It's going to look very sheer. But with these colors, you only honestly need 1 coat and you can really create a beautiful, radiant, bright tie-dye effect. So you can see here I did those lines differently on this nail. So options are endless when it comes to tie-dye. It's just super fun and easy to do. I did the rest of the nails off camera to save some time, and then I wanted to make these matte. So we're going in with the gentle matte top coat. And you're going to see here that it is a game changer for this tie-dye mani. It really made all that attention to detail pop. Check it out. Here it is. I did the rest of the nails and I cured it for 60 seconds, and here are our tie-dyed nails. They are super fun and vibrant for summer. You can see here that those colors, you can just do so many different color combinations. Again, I recommend if you are doing this, do 4 colors so you really get a really good pretty tie-dye payoff effect. But this neon collection that you're seeing here is releasing with Sundara Nails this weekend. So that is going to be Saturday, and that is May 27th, by the way, at 10 a.m. Central Time. And you can get this collection of 10 individually or as a collection itself. They're just so fun and great staple colors to have. And the color payoff is definitely super bright, and you're not gonna be disappointed if you grab this whole entire collection, because you're going to be able to do so much. These are going to be great for nail art, for all over color, and it's really going to get your nails ready for that summer neon season. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. So not only are these neon polishes releasing this Saturday, May 27th at 10 a.m. Central Time, there's also some other really fun colors. So I will go ahead and link the Sundara Nails Facebook group because there's tons of sneak peeks, and you can see other ambassador manis as well with some of the new colors that are releasing. You're going to be blown away. There's some really fun stuff being released this Saturday, so make sure you set your alarms because you do not want to miss it, and I will see you all in the next upload.